In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from Squarespace's starting point to the custom CSS panel, so you can fine-tune your site's look with confidence. Let's begin at the very start. Head to the Create Your Website page on Squarespace. This is the main entry point where you can explore templates and get oriented. Even if you already have a site, it's a handy launchpad because it keeps all the key navigation close by. From here, look for the Account Dashboard option. You'll typically find it in the top navigation or within your profile menu. Clicking Account Dashboard moves you into the account area where your sites and settings are organized in one place. Inside your account at account.squarespace.com, locate and click on Website. This section is designed to focus everything around your site building workflow. Content, design, and settings live here. Think of it as your command center. Once you're in the website view, you'll see the familiar Squarespace interface with a sidebar of options and tools tailored to your selected site. Next, click on Search within the site's interface. The search field is incredibly useful because it jumps you directly to the tools you need without hunting through multiple menus. It can find pages, settings, and design panels by name, which saves a lot of time, especially if you're still learning where everything lives. In the search box, type Custom CSS. This is the quickest way to surface Squarespace's Custom CSS area. Custom CSS is where you can add precise styling beyond what the design settings provide. Things like adjusting spacing in very specific areas, tweaking a single element's appearance, or applying brand details that aren't covered by built-in controls. As a tip, keep a small notes file of any CSS you add, so you can reference or roll back changes later. When the result appears, click on Custom CSS. This opens the editor where you can paste or write your styles and see changes previewed in real time. Work methodically. Add a small snippet, check the preview, and continue. If something doesn't look right, remove or comment out the line to isolate the issue. Keep your CSS organized with brief comments and aim for targeted selectors so you don't accidentally style more than intended. When you're satisfied, your changes will be ready to keep and apply across your site. And that's it. You navigated from Squarespace's starting page, into the account dashboard, into your website area, used search to find custom CSS, and opened the panel to begin styling.